12 months ago, we launched an incredible campaign. It was meant to be a sideline campaign. It was not a major focus. And we had 48,000 people hit the website. 35% of them converted into a warm lead. We generated 17,000 warm leads over the last 11 months. It's completely taken us by surprise. And I want to unpack it for you and show you exactly what we did in order to get that result. I think this is something that you can ramp up and get lots of warm leads in the year ahead. If I've not met you before, I'm Daniel Priestley. I'm the co-founder of ScoreApp. I'm the author of the book Oversubscribed. Over the last 12 months, we've been listed as one of the fastest growing software companies in the UK. And actually, one of the things that took us by surprise is this little campaign. So what is the campaign? The campaign is called a mini course. And the mini course that we launched was called the Business Growth Blueprint. And what we did is we just had this as a pop-up on some of the pages on our blogs. And the way that actually looks in practical terms is that you would go to one of our blogs or one of our articles on our website. There'd be a little pop-up after a minute and it would say, would you like to complete the Business Growth Blueprint course? It's a 20-minute course. You just need to click here and opt in for that course. When people would click across to the landing page gave lots of proof of concept, and I'll show you exactly what we had on the landing page. And then when people opted in, they answered about 5 questions so we could learn a little bit about them and their business, and then we presented them with a 20-minute short course. So there's a few elements that make this absolutely work well, and I want to talk you through some of those key elements. Oh, and by the way, before I explain it, I just want to let you know that we've created some templates that you'll be able to use as part of a free account on ScoreApp. So it's going to be really easy for you to implement this. So don't be overwhelmed by what I'm about to share. Just know that we've already packed this into a template and you'll be able to just edit the template and away you go. So let's start with the idea of a mini course. A mini course is where you're going to address a problem that people have with 3 or 4 short little videos, maybe a PDF document, and you're going to diagnose and treat a pain or a problem that your potential customers are experiencing. So there's a philosophy around this. One of the key philosophies is that you meet people where they are and take them on a journey. You figure out what is their frustration, what is their pain, what's the thing that they want solved. We say we're going to go and talk to them about that pain or frustration, and we're going to give them a little bit of a breakthrough with a little bit of content. Now, you don't have to be a master at stage and screen in order to do this. You just need to be able to present people with the idea that you understand their frustration, you understand their pain, and that you're going to give them, say, 3 5-minute videos that help them to diagnose and improve that situation. And then a mini call to action that says, now that we know that, you can work with my company to improve this. So let's say you're a physiotherapist and you say, have you injured your shoulder? Are you experiencing shoulder pain? Are you experiencing low mobility? In this mini course, we're going to explore why that happened. We're going to explore a little bit about the mechanics of your shoulder and how you can fix your shoulder and how you can get a breakthrough with your shoulder. And you're just going to do like a few little videos that explain the problem, explain the mechanics of it, and then how to get in touch with you in order to get a full and remarkable solution to that. But this is like a little bridge. If you think about it, a lot of your customers are what's called problem aware, which means they know they've got a problem that they want to solve, but they're not yet solution aware. They don't know how to solve that problem. They don't know exactly what to buy or what service to subscribe to in order to solve that problem. So what this mini course is going to do is it's going to meet people where they are in the problem aware state, and it's going to provide a little bridge across to solution aware. So you're going to be able to walk people through the steps. It's important to remember that because you run your business pretty much 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it's on your mind. For you, things that are simple ideas or simple concepts, probably for you are not exciting or interesting in the way that they would be for your potential customers. So my guess is that you're sitting on a lot of valuable information that if more people knew that, they would be able to go from problem aware to solution aware. And if you were the one who moved them from problem aware to solution aware, you will be the number one choice for them to buy from in the future. So you want to be the one to give them that light bulb moment, that breakthrough. So let's have a look at my mini course, which is the Business Growth Blueprint that we launched earlier this year. So on your screen, you'll see the landing page that we used. And there's a few elements in the headline. So it says over 4,000 businesses have used this marketing blueprint to attract high quality clients faster and cheaper than anything else they've tried. Now that works because we're using something called social proof. We're using the fact that 4,000 businesses have used a marketing blueprint. We're also referencing something called intellectual property. We've got a plan, we've got a blueprint, we've got steps to follow. So just in that top headline alone, we've got social proof and we've got a process or a piece of intellectual property that people are going to be able to discover and learn. Now, you probably have this for your business as well. I wonder how many clients you've worked with over the last 5 years. I wonder how many transformations you've been able to get with your clients. So if you can tally up those numbers, you can also quote an interesting statistic or an interesting number that you're proud of and put that into that headline. The other thing too is your intellectual property. I bet you've got pillars or steps or processes or principles that you can reference, and you can say there are 7 principles or there is a 5-step process for getting these results. So I want you to think about your business. How many people can you be talking about? What processes or principles or pillars of information have you got? That is your intellectual property, and that is your social proof. So have a think about your social proof, have a think about your intellectual property. So the next thing that it says is to attract high quality clients faster and cheaper than anything else you've tried. So this is a great follow-on that promises something. It says you're going to get high quality clients. This is what people want. Most of your customers think about what is the end state that they want to achieve. They either want to remove a pain or remove a frustration or achieve a goal, achieve an outcome. So the more clearly you can articulate the end state that people will get to, the more attractive that is to your customers. So you want to think about, what is the end state that you deliver? Do you deliver peace of mind? Do you deliver more business? Do you deliver higher security? Do you deliver transformation of health and fitness? Do you deliver a better relationship that you're going to have? What is it that you deliver, right? And then you want to be able to say, if you do this, if you follow these steps, if you have this intellectual property, these are some of the key results that you'll get closer to as a result of following this system or following this intellectual property. And then I've finished it off with better than anything else you've tried, which kind of makes the brain think, hey, I've tried things before and they didn't work, but you know what? I should give this a try. I should give this a go. I need to park my skepticism and actually have a look at this, right? So that's deliberate phraseology to say, hey, look, I know you've tried things in the past. It's not your first rodeo. I'm sure you're an experienced business owner, but check this out because it's a little bit different, something that you may not have seen before. So the call to action is get the free course now. So it's actually saying there's a little mini free course. If I was to do this again, I might say get the free 20-minute course because people's time is precious. They want to know how long is this going to take me. So if I was going to update this landing page, I probably would say get the free 20-minute course now because people want to know that it's quick. So we scroll down and it says, find out where your next business is coming from in this special online short course with Daniel. You're going to create a complete marketing campaign using AI. You're going to make the breakthrough with your lead generation and customer engagement, and you're going to get a step-by-step guide for improving your sales process. So it's really, really nice and simple. And we've got an image here where we've drawn out something that looks like a blueprint, and it is the blueprint that I talk about in the video. So we've actually shown people that in this short course, there's actually going to be a blueprint. There's going to be steps to follow, and they almost want to know, oh, what's he talking about? Why, I don't want to not know what that's all about. I want to get into this short course and quickly understand what's going on there. So then once again, the button that says get the free course now, straight away we click that. We need first name, we need last name, we need email, and then watch the videos. So people know exactly what's going to happen next if they fill that in. What we've done at ScoreApp is we've designed the templates that have all of these elements built into the landing page and then some. So we've actually taken our learnings from this campaign and updated it in the templates. So the landing page is almost ready to go. You just need to update it with your intellectual property, your stories, your case studies, and just put your images on there, and then it's ready to go with that. Now, one of the things we've done in the landing page on one of the templates is we've actually included room for a short video. So if you feel confident, you can do a 1 or a 2-minute video explaining why someone should take your mini course, and then they can opt in as a result of that. Now, the landing page I'm showing you here, it didn't have a short video on there, but I would probably look at putting a short video there if you're confident doing so, and that's why we've included that in the templates that are in the template library. Now, here's the interesting thing. When somebody puts the name and email address in and they say, yeah, I want to take the course, it doesn't immediately give them the course. It comes up with answer 3 quick questions to get access to the course. So are you currently running any lead generation marketing campaigns? Yes, they're performing. Yes, but I want better performance. No, I need help with this. So we get a little bit of insight about where someone's coming from there. How many qualified leads per month would your business need in order to see significant growth? 1 to 10, 11 to 100, 100 to 1,000, 1,000 plus. So we actually get a bit of an idea as to what kind of campaigns this person needs. And which of the following best describes you? A CEO, founder, a marketing executive, or something else. So we know whether we're talking to a founder or an entrepreneur or someone who works in marketing, or something that we hadn't even considered. So that helps us to better segment and better understand who is connecting and engaging with this campaign. Now, as soon as they've clicked those 3 questions and they've given us those answers, we go straight in and we've got a video here. And the video is 26 minutes. So it's a short course. It's not an hour and a half. It's not 3 hours. It's just 26 minutes talking people through this blueprint. Once again, I just want to share this idea that we're taking someone from problem aware to solution aware. What we're doing with this course is we're saying, hey, we know you've got a problem with lead generation. We know you've got desires around improving your marketing, and we're going to share with you enough information for you to understand that problem better, understand that a solution exists, and then engage with us around that solution. So it's a 26-minute video that covers all of that. And then step 2, it says, now that you've done that video, start from scratch using the software, or pick a template, or use the AI setup wizard. And it just says sign up for free, create a free account with ScoreApp. And then it says step 3, access the ScoreApp platform. We've got a human touch, a wealth of knowledge, a library of templates, a community that you can engage with. And then we've got some more social proof, 5-star review, 5-star review, 5-star review. We've got 3 of those. And then we've got frequently asked questions. So we're not asking people to make a decision without answering any objections that they might have. So we've taken some of the key objections and we've just done frequently asked questions here. So is it difficult to set up? Do the leads come in automatically? Can I integrate ScoreApp with my other business tools? Right, so we've taken our most popular questions that people have before signing up. We've just addressed them straight there on the page. And then finally, the call to action at the very end is set up with ScoreApp today. So pretty simple stuff really, right? A little bit of a video course, few next steps, and we're ready to go. So that's why this has worked. It's worked so well because it's really straightforward. It's really simple. It's a clear offer on the landing page. It's 3 questions so that we can segment our list, and it's a nice, simple 26, 27-minute video with some clear next steps. That is a super simple campaign. It's clear for the customer, it's clear for us, and it gets great results. If you've been in marketing for a while, you know that a 33% conversion on a landing page is out of this world. You know that something that generates 17,000 leads per year is worth a fortune to you and for your business, right? So you know that getting this right would be a transformational asset for your business. So copy this campaign. You don't even have to copy what we've done. We've already turned it into a template for you. It's in ScoreApp, it's in the ScoreApp library. You can create a free account if you don't already have one. If you've already got an account, you can actually just find it in the library. These are called mini courses. So when you go into the template library, just search for mini courses. You'll see our first 3 templates already ready to go. This is a great asset for your business for the year ahead. The sooner you get this set up, the sooner you've got another stream of warm, qualified leads that are going to grow your business. So if you enjoyed that video, let me know in the comments below, what will you create a mini course about? I'd love to get some immediate feedback and see what mini courses you would create. Give me a headline, give me a strap line for the mini course that you're going to create. And that's just a first step for accountability. Also, give this channel a like and a subscribe. I'll see you next time.